Alright friends, welcome back to our new video. We are now in Uduppi, in a coastal town city of Karnataka, and we are going to explore Uduppi. We are staying near the beach, Malpe Beach. It's actually exactly on the Malpe Beach. So we'll also post a video for our room tour of our hotel, which is Paradise Isle. Paradise Isle. It's a resort. So yes, hopefully we will try to cover something for you and show you something interesting. So it's a Sunday evening and lots of people here in the beach. There are lots of shops. We are still to explore for the food options. Sona! So on the beach, we found a small restaurant, and here we have ordered for one kingfish, fried kingfish, and one bhangra fish. And my daughter has ordered one veg noodle. So we will just try here and let you know how it is. So kingfish and bhangra. Good morning, friends. उठ जाओ भाई सोना। 8:30 हो चुके हैं। हमारा प्लान था सुबह 7 बजे उठने का, और एज यूजुअल हम हो गए लेट। अब बाहर निकल आई है धूप। हमको जाना था सेंट मैरी आइलैंड, और अभी हम चल रहे हैं लेट। चलिए आपको दिखाते हैं सुबह का नज़ारा। सो मॉर्निंग इन उडुपी। 8:40 हो गया है अभी सुबह का टाइम। ब्रेकफास्ट भी अभी हमने नहीं किया है। पहले हम ब्रेकफास्ट जाएंगे, उसके बाद प्लान है कि हम सेंट मैरी आइलैंड जाएंगे। क्लियरली वी आर रनिंग लेट। हमको अभी तक ब्रेकफास्ट करके सेंट मैरी के लिए निकल जाना चाहिए था, क्योंकि 9 बजे के आसपास वहाँ से वो बोट स्टार्ट करते हैं। बट ठीक है, देखते हैं अभी क्या कर सकते हैं। होपफुली आज गर्मी कम रहे। कोशिश करेंगे कि 12 बजे से पहले सारे स्पॉट्स कवर कर लिए जाएं। सारे मतलब जो भी हमें कवर करना है, और उसके बाद रेस्ट करेंगे हम, क्योंकि दोपहर के टाइम पे काफ़ी गर्मी रहती है। सोना बेटा उठा, आप कहाँ छुप गई? अरे उठो भाई, अरे भाई, ओ भाई, सोना भाई, उठ जाओ भाई। उठ जाओ भाई। चलिए रेडी करते हैं सबको, उसके बाद फिर हम लोग निकल के ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं। So we are sitting at the restaurant now, enjoying our breakfast, and from here we can see our room. That's our room, and it's a parking area. So yes, lots of options are there: veg, non-veg. Non-veg not much, but yeah, you have options. But even in vegetarian stuff, you have a lot of options: idli, puri, vada, everything is there almost. So it's good. North Indian, South Indian, it's a mix of options available. So we'll enjoy our breakfast, and then from here we will start to St. Mary Island. चलिए अब हम लोग चलते हैं सेंट मैरी आइलैंड की तरफ। यहाँ एक ओशन एडवेंचर्स करके एक एजेंसी है, जिसके थ्रू हम लोग बोट लेंगे, बोट या छोटा एक क्रूज टाइप का रहेगा शायद। पर देखिए मस्त सीन है। दिस इज़ आवर होटल पैराडाइज आइल एंड it's very in the strategic location road, and in front of that you have the beach, so you just have to come out of your room and you are on the beach. We have taken a room which is a beach view, so we can see the sunset also from our room. So there is a Bubbles beach bar on the beach itself if you are looking for some drinks. Alright friends, on the beach of Malpe itself there is a counter for this getting your ticket for St. Mary's Island, and from here this is the place from where you will get your boat. So the funda is that you will go there by the boat and you will have to pay 400 rupees per head. Child above 5 years, it's full ticket, right? So they will take you there, and 1 hour they will wait for you, so you can spend 1 hour there and come back. In case you want to come early, then you can take another one or any other boat that is coming back and get boarded. So are you ready?
Yes, excited.
Right, let's go and see how it goes. So there are other stuff also here like paragliding, the prices written. Zorbin 200, parasailing 1000, bumpy ride 400, banana ride 400, boat rounding 200, and jet ski ride 600 per person. Alright, let's go. This is the place where we have to stand, and then a boat will come for us to pick up. Okay, we are ready for our boat ride to St. Mary Island. Sona, are you excited?
Yes.
Let's do it. चल गया बोट. हाँ, इधर स्पीड में चल रहा है सुना? डर लगा? अच्छा है? So approaching St. Mary Island. St. Mary Island. Wow. लोग बोट से पहुंच गए हैं सेंट मैरी आइलैंड. It took us 15 minutes ride from one side of the Udupi Malpe beach to this St. Mary Island. Now we got 1 hour to explore. 11:50 is the time given to us. It's right now 10:50. We have to be back here at 11:50. Let's explore. Welcome to St. Mary Island. So from here we will start our exploration. We'll see how it is. We are right behind the beach. Let's move. So as soon as you get inside St. Mary's Island, there are cafes. One of here, this Island Cafe is named. You will get all kind of snacks, food. Then fruit juice, fruit salad counter. They also prepare here some jhalmuri, all those things. But I don't see tea, coffee, but there are food options at the gate, right? Then on the left side, as soon as you enter, far end you can see toilet is also there. So let's move on. So yes, it is hot, but it is green, lots of trees. Just look at it. Beautiful blue sky, coconut tree, greenery, blue water, hot weather, and ice cream. So this is what it says about discovering of St. Mary Island. You can pause and read. Move forward. If you haven't brought your hat or goggles, sunglasses, you can also buy it from here. Yes. Nice. Look at this beach. Swimming and of course going into the water here is prohibited. Not only swimming, they have marked a demarcation here. But if you see the water, it's like absolutely crystal clear blue water. See how beautiful it is. Options for kids to also enjoy here. There is also a board there, St. Mary's Island, public notice, follow the island rules. So yes, there is also a police personnel here available. So basically the rule is more about safety and cleanliness. Keep the place clean, number one. Number two, don't venture out on the sea or in the sea. And in the sea means not about swimming, but also not to go near to the water, right? See, this side it's allowed to go, but on the other side it's not. And it is clearly written here, no swimming. If found swimming in this area, fine will be imposed. So here you can go little bit in the water. Your feet can be inside the water, but on the other side, it's not at all allowed. But even here, you have to be very careful. As you can see, there is a security guy. He always keep an eye, which is very good, and it's on public interest. Follow the rules and enjoy the nature. यहाँ पे थोड़ा आगे गहरा है। हाँ। Wow. See the water. My God. So beautiful. Donna, how are you? Are you enjoying?
Yes.
You wanted to go to Maldives,
Yes.
but see this one. Even this one is not less than Maldives. Don't go there. Yes, nice. Look here. Wow, Sona. So my daughter is saying कि यहाँ पे सी में कुछ फूड कलरिंग डाला है क्या? Because the color is so good. इसके पहले जो भी बीचेस हम गए हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द वेदर या जो भी कह लीजिए, उसका कलर जो है परफेक्टली ब्लू नहीं दिखा है। इनको बीच में अच्छा था और ईडन बीच में भी ठीक ठाक था, बट इसके लिए स्काई को अच्छा क्लियर होना चाहिए। बट ज़्यादा स्काई क्लियर मतलब ज़्यादा गर्मी भी। तो आपको एक चीज़ के बदले एक चीज़ मिलेगी और एक चीज़ ले ली जाएगी। देयर इज ऑल्सो अनदर आइलैंड एट द फार एंड, रॉकी इट सीम्स। So that is the Malpe beach at the far end. We are on the St. Mary Island. Now we are walking towards our boat that is scheduled to come at 11:50. So they have given us 1 hour and it's already quite hot. So let's go. The formation of the stones, it's all natural. Thousands of years it took for this structure to come, and now we are using it for photography, pictures. See the crabs, they are running. Did you see? वो देखिए, आपको क्रैब दिखाते हैं। बहुत बड़े बड़े क्रैब हैं। ये देखिए छोटा सा क्रैब जा रहा है यहाँ पे। ये अभी देखिए यहाँ पे वो छुप गए हैं, वो छुप गए बॉटम पे। और अगर हम इस तरफ आए, देखिए ऊपर एक क्रैब है ना? ऐसे बहुत सारे क्रैब हैं इस पत्थर के पास, हाइडिंग बिहाइंड। Nice. So this is what we see if your marine is clean, pollution free. But if it's polluted, you lose all these. Right? St. Mary Island, very pristine. Blue water, blue sky, lots of beautiful naturally made stones, corals on the stones. So our boats are coming now. On this side people are taking baths. Not baths, swimming. They are enjoying. It's sea water, so it's not necessarily bath. And yes, some foreigners also trying to shoot their TikTok video. Nice. We are back now from St. Mary Island, back to the Malpe Beach, and now we will get inside the water. It's hot, but it's hot for everyone. People are enjoying, so why should not we? We'll get inside and everything will be okay. Our hotel is just behind here, right? So not far. Let's get on to it. Now we have come out of water. Now we are enjoying kulfi and chocobar Sona enjoying. It's hot. Ice cream is melting. On the Malpe beach, you also have bath and toilet facility. And we also noticed that there is also a luggage room available. So people who don't have hotel and they are coming here just for visit and enjoying the sea, then they can come here. They can use the luggage room facility. It's here. Of course, it's a paid one, but it's okay, right? It's there, so you can use it. Otherwise, it's really beautiful. Walk. So we opted for lunch here, Fisherman Bay. चलो ऊपर चलो. So on the first floor, nice. So right on the beach, now we will enjoy fish thali. So the menu looked good, but unfortunately we were looking for very unique Udupi style food, and that actually happens when we eat thali. So we were looking for fish thali, but unfortunately they said that fish thali is not available today. So we had to switch to other restaurant, which was right beside this one. Bangla fish thali or chicken thali. कौन सा आइसक्रीम है सोना ये
लाइक बटरस्कॉच है. गड़बड़ आइसक्रीम. हाँ गड़बड़ आइसक्रीम है.
इसको गड़बड़ आइसक्रीम बोलते हैं यहाँ पे. So in Karnataka, at least in the Udupi area, anywhere you go, any restaurant, you will find this garbad ice cream. Basically 3 different scoop flavor. I think butterscotch is there, strawberry is there, vanilla is there, and then some fruits.
Watermelon and pineapple.
Watermelon and
Pineapple.
pineapple. Okay, so now enjoy. उडुपी श्री कृष्ण महाद्वार मतलब टेंपल के हम सामने आ गए हैं. श्री कृष्णा टेंपल उडुपी. चलिए दर्शन करते हैं. पार्किंग की सुविधा मंदिर के सामने उपलब्ध है 40 रुपीज़ पर. यहाँ से एंट्री होगी. मॉर्निंग 12 PM to 3 PM भोजन का टाइमिंग है और 8 PM to 10 PM. श्री कृष्णा गौशाला भी है यहाँ पे. चलिए दर्शन करते हैं. गीता मंदिर. गीता मंदिर है उडुपी. गीता मंदिर उडुपी। चलिए कृष्णा मंदिर चलते हैं हम लोग। श्री कृष्णा दर्शन, यहाँ से एंट्री होगी। मॉर्निंग 12 PM to 3 PM भोजन का टाइमिंग है और 8 PM to 10 PM। श्री कृष्णा गौशाला भी है यहाँ पे। चलिए दर्शन करते हैं। स्टेज से चढ़ के आना है आपको, फिर हम लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। दर्शन ऑफ श्री कृष्णा टेम्पल। सो श्री कृष्णा टेम्पल में हमने कृष्ण भगवान के दर्शन कर लिए। मंदिर बहुत अच्छा है। अंदर वीडियोग्राफी अलाउड नहीं है, एज़ यूजुअल एक्सपेक्टेड है, ज़रूरी भी है, तो वहाँ पे हमने कुछ शूट नहीं किया। बट मंदिर के बाहरी प्रांगण को हमने शूट जरूर किया थोड़ा सा, आप वीडियो में देखेंगे। पीछे हमारे गीता मंदिर है और आगे तरफ श्री कृष्ण टेम्पल। जय श्री कृष्णा।
जय श्री कृष्णा।